Hey everyone, welcome back after a long time. I see a Rogue Zero, Claudiac, Used Chopstick, FitLab joining in really quick but having to leave soon. I see a Turtle Cat and a Master Sun J. Thanks guys for joining in. We are doing a Monsgeek M5 build. This is one of my close friends, and you know, I do hook up my closest friends with keyboards, but sometimes people, you know, want their own. So my buddy picked up a Monsgeek M5. He's building it with these guys right here. These are North Pole, Gateron North Pole 2.0 box browns. They are tactile switches. But yeah, if you guys have never seen a Monsgeek M5 before, it is a full-size keyboard, numpad, navigation cluster, all of that, and the unit that he picked is also QMK powered. Hooray, hooray! Look at that, huge. I have not built a full-sized board in forever, actually. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Rogue says, built one, a M2 for coworker, pretty solid considering the price. Yeah, as you guys can see from that webpage, it's 129 to 134 bucks. You know, like you can choose black, purple, or silver. And yeah, there you go. Let's see. This is really long. What is it? It is a, I bet you it's like cables. Yep, cables. Ooh, gaskets. And for stabilizers. Okay, so I assume this has stabilizers in it too. Yep, a whole bunch of stabilizers. And that seems to be it. Alright, what does this guy look like? Okay, yeah, looks like it's a black board. It's like what I expected. Oh, it's not really all black, it's more like a darkish gray of sorts. Pretty hefty board. I like it. Recessed USB-C port right there. Looks pretty decent for a $129 board. Yeah, what is this? This it's a metal plate? No, wait, that's not a metal plate. It's a plastic plate because it bends. It bends. Okay. So it looks like it's all standard stabilizer locations. Left shift, right shift, enter key, delete, that 0 key, and the 2 plus and equals right there. So we can start off by building a couple stabilizers here. Alright, let's see, big board. See, just to make sure I have the right number of stabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. High moose guys if you like long poles. Gasket mount, perfect. Okay. Okay. Or the Asian food is good. Oh, the Asian food there is amazing. In fact, I am going to BC probably in... I'm planning a trip with some friends, except we don't know when we're going yet. I'm thinking maybe July or maybe June. We'll see, we'll see. There's another screw that I'm not seeing here. Oh yes, there is another screw that I wasn't seeing. Feeling a bit sick, so gonna go rest. Thank you, Rufus, for joining in. Really appreciate you checking in on me. Hope you feel better. Hope it's nothing bad, actually. Man. It's very interesting how they cut this plate. Usually they make the stab holes a lot bigger. Alright, last stab. Alright. Okay. Nice to see you working the boards again. Yeah. I do have a board that is soon to go into group buy that I'll be building next week, I believe. So I think North Poles are actually a very good choice because it'll allow the LED to really pop. The holes are on the bottom, or the pins are on the bottom, so it has to go in this way. But it sounds like they aren't in great shape. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I feel like even though our keyboard community, like, stuff has really kicked off in the last couple of years, it's just still not enough. You're right. Okay, two switches to spare. Okay. Yay. Let me... Type and test. Let's make sure everything works. Oh, so bright. Oh my gosh. So bright, but so pretty. Okay. Alright, every key works. And Fallen, it's not going to change once I put the keycaps on because my buddy wanted full RGB. Full RGB, so the key sets are completely see-through. Alright guys, let's see how bright this gets. Put on your sunglasses. That's actually not bad. That's not as bright as I thought it would be. Here, let's do a typing test. Okay. Not bad. I'm not sure how I feel about the profile. This is OEM, I think. Yeah, I'm so not used to like the tactile feeling. See, I do have a North Pole linear switchboard somewhere in this house. But I don't know where it is. Interesting sound profile. I wonder what it would sound like with some PBT caps. You know what? Okay, I don't know if these are PBT, but according to the drop packaging, these are reverse pudding keycaps. It doesn't say much else over that. Reverse pudding, the mind reels. Okay, I'm already noticing there are some keycaps I didn't push all the way in. I noticed with like the box stem, it's a bit tighter. Okay, alright, now I'm seeing some drop frames. I think it might have been when I was doing like the speed test, but I have 298 drop frames. Yeah, it must have been like the speed test. 298, 0.2%. Like I said, with Comcast, I was averaging between 5 and 10% drop frames per stream. So the fact that I'm at less than 1%, that is crazy. I have to wipe this down before I hand it over. So many fingerprints on the black anodization. But yeah, thanks guys for joining in. Thanks for joining in on my test stream with the new ISP and getting back into streaming. You'll see more of me in the next couple weeks. I do have a board that that will soon be going into group buy. I'll talk more about it next week. You guys will just see it pop up on Discord. But yeah, you'll see more build streams in the coming future. We are so back. Yeah. And I think now that I have much faster internet, I can actually bump up my bitrate and also my FPS. So we'll see. I'll go explore with it a little bit. And you will notice that I will get a lot more graphics on this channel. Well, I guess it depends on how fast my niece works, but we'll see. We'll see. Alright guys. Hope you have a good rest of your Friday night or Saturday morning. And I will see you when I see you. Good night, everyone. Bye-bye.